Hello, welcome. My name's Stuart G5STU, creator of this Station Master system, and I'm just quickly going to show you how you can support the R call signs or the regional secondary locator for the coronation. This is aimed at people that already have an account. So if you haven't already got an account, then just create an account using your normal call sign, and then you will be at the step to follow in this video. So the thing to do is fire up Station Master Desktop. Once it's open, if I go into here, into my settings, it will show that I'm currently using G5STU. Now if you've got other profiles, you can go here, profile select, and you can switch to your other profiles if you've set them up. So if I went to, well, let's go to M7SEG, it will reboot the app, and I'm basically now logged into that account. I will have the logs for that account. And if I go to settings, it will show M7SEG. Now if I switch back to the main account, default account, and what we can do now is go profile select, new, and just type in what will it be, G5STU, click OK, and what that's done is created a whole new profile within Station Master Desktop, and leave everything else as it is for the moment. I mean, by default most things will work, so the rig control should still work because it defaults to Omni Rig. There we go, so that's working. Now what we need to do is click connect to cloud. So what it's done here, you'll notice it's logged you out of the Station Master Cloud while I'm in this profile. So it says active G5RSTU, and it also says it up here, so we know which profile we're in. So what I need to do now is basically connect to cloud, but I need to create an account using the new call sign, Stu, and then we'll just do G5STU. Actually, we'll just do G5RSTU at G5STU.com. You do need to use a different email address to what you've used in your main account, G5RSTU. Okay, so we've put in the password, and now we're connected. So it's logged in. If I refresh this page, it'll be logged in here as well. So we're now logged into this account, but if I go to settings, go to the bottom, I can tell it that this call sign is managed by G5STU, my main account. Click save. Wants to know my QTH. Tick that box again. There we go. So now, if I go up here and switch back to my main account, what will happen is within the website it now allows me to switch into this profile if I want to, but you don't really need to do that. In fact, I wouldn't advise you do that. If you want to get into that other account, go to your main profile switcher up here and switch to it from here, and it will automatically log you in this cloud window to that account. Once you've logged in once, it will remember, and it's already got the API key there. It's put in the Station Master API key. You will need to go in and type in your QRZ details again. You'll obviously need to set up a new QRZ logbook, and you'll need to put the key in for that logbook for this to work. But just put in your normal main QRZ username and password here, and that will get the address, sorry, the call sign lookup functionality working. But the API key must match the right logbook in your QRZ account for the GR or MR or 2R call sign. So yeah, that's on you to get that correct. Once you've done all of that, everything else is exactly the same. That is all you need to do. That's job done. So now when I log, if I turn on rig control, so now when I log, it's going to show up here as, within a couple of seconds, G5RSTU log to test. So there we go, job done. That's all you need to do. It's nothing more than that. And then if you want to switch accounts and log using your normal call sign, so let's say you're only using this one for FT8 or whatever, you know, you can quickly switch up here, and then whatever you log while you're in that account will go to that QRZ logbook as well, because the account is logged to the specific logbooking the account is connected to the specific QRZ logbook. I hope that makes sense. I've probably made it sound more complicated than it actually is, but if you follow these steps, that's all you need to do. Profile select, create new, put in the R call sign, connect to cloud, create a new account, cloud account for that R call sign, and make sure that you set it as managed by your main call sign, and that will allow you to hot switch between the two accounts. That's not essential, but it'll just help you out later on. And what it will do, if I go to my profile, it will say it's managed by G5STU, and then if I go to G5STU, it will show that I'm managing G5RSTU as well. So people that visiting this profile can see, oh, that's G5STU, and then they can click on this and see the main profile as well. So there we go. Hope that helps. That's the steps to follow to do it properly, to support these R call signs for the next week or so, or however long it lasts. Any questions, just ask in the comments or in the Discord server, and I'll be happy to help. 7-3 for now. Bye bye.